Time to put that baby on display. I'm Juan Gonzalez, also known as John Lennon with JLo Magic Balloon Videos. It's time to go goo goo gaga. Hey, what's up, my friends? Good to see your smiling faces. Hope you're having a good day. Hopefully you are relaxing today, and now you got yourself a nice little video, huh? Some of us are lucky and we also get to work on this day. Not a bad thing. Maybe a little extra cash never hurt anybody, huh? So let's go ahead and talk about the balloons we're gonna use to make this baby. And it's a hat, and so this is a little bit of a throwback from, oh golly, I want to say it's a couple years now, but I never put a video out for it on the channel. It was only in my Facebook, actually, that I had done that. I had made a video then, and so I decided why not share it now. So a few more of you guys, you know, if you have this balloon baby that you make, or you get this print, now you can put it on display with a nice little hat if you haven't already done so. So again, let's talk about the balloons we're going to use so we can make it. So here it is, our balloons. We have 3 balloons we're going to use. That's right. I'm going to go ahead and use yellow. We got a blush here. It's got quite a bit of balloon left on it. Look at that. And I'm going to go ahead and skip making the little digits there. I'm just going to have them be like little nubs. Hopefully you don't get hung up about that. And then for this one, you notice between the 2 yellow balloons, this one has a longer nozzle. We're gonna go ahead and create ourselves a place to attach the baby's, you know, that baby balloon head at that point. I'm trying not to say just baby head on its own, so that way no one takes me out of context when I start saying that I got just a bunch of baby heads, okay? Because that'll just be weird. Balloon baby heads, excuse me. Just a nice correction there. All right, and so for the one that has the long tail, you see about how much tail is left on it. It's about 3 or 4 fingers. And then for the one that doesn't, about 4 fingers, okay? So I just try to make up that difference there. But at the end though, the twisting is gonna be pretty darn simple to do. All right, and then last but not least, let me go ahead and show you just to make sure you got the printed balloon as well, okay? All right, and no marker this time. So let's go ahead and bring that sound down. Let's get ready to start twisting. Here we go.
All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the blush balloon. That way I can make the baby's body first. So we got about a 3 finger segment there. There we go, 3 to 4 fingers, but I say 3 is probably better. Go ahead and do a pinch twist. Then we're gonna follow it with another 3 to 4 finger with another pinch twist and come right back to the pinch twist. There we go. And now we're gonna go for the little legs, and they're about 4 to 5 fingers. So make them longer than the arms, just so you know. Going right to the other side with the pinch twist. And we'll end with the other arm. So again, like I said, it looks like the letter A when you do that. And okay, so one way also to, you know, one thing that will cut down on time is if you don't put the little hands and then just go ahead and tie that end off. So there we go. So we're ready to go with our colored balloons, our yellow in this case. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the one with the longer nozzle first. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that around there, and as soon as I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and pull that balloon across. And again, that's where we're going to make our diaper here. And I'm going to stop there with this one as I come in with the other balloon. But you see I have that nozzle there that I can pull across, and that's how we're going to anchor the baby's head. So that way it stays in there too easy. So, okay, so I had started with that one. I ran across, so I'm going to go ahead and tie in where I ended up with the other one. I'm going to start this one so it can be pulled across. That way we have the diaper and the connection for the hat on both sides. There we go. So once that's done, just wrap it around those pins we created. And I'm going to go right down the side here. And I wanted to, you know, have some distance off the top of the person's head. That way the baby's up there floating up. So you see I'm kind of measuring here on my arm. So it's, you know, it's a good ways down. And I'm going to go ahead and create a pinch twist there. But after you do it a couple times, you'll realize it looks about like, you know, 2 hand distances away, if you're kind of looking at it that way. All right, and so I would say about 10 to 11 fingers, and then just put a pinch twist at the bottom. And then the last thing is going to be to do is just like we did up top with the diaper portion, is we're going to run one across to the pinch twist, and then we're just going to run right back with the other way. And that's going to create our hat that's going to finish it up. So there it is. Alrighty, so back and forth at the bottom there, just like you did at the top. and then we will be done. Too easy. Go ahead and cut off those ends. Tie them if you need to. If you think they might come undone on you, but probably not. As long as you're really wrapping them in there, you should be just fine. And that brings the balloon twisting to a conclusion. Well, aside from putting the baby's head on, I didn't even think about that. I'm sitting here thinking about the bottom of the balloon and feel like I'm done. But one thing also to keep in mind here, I guess, when you're doing this is make sure, that aside from tying the baby's head, that you go, that at this portion here, that you're not so concerned with, trying to tie that baby's head in there, unless you really think they're going to take it, apart. But the thing is, it's a hat. So a lot of times you can just twist that nozzle around and fish for it, down from underneath. And there's so much friction there that'll hold in place. There we go. Now we're really done. Now you can put it on.
There it is. We made it. Yay. And then all you have to do after that is put it on and you'll be ready to go. No problemo. So thanks for sticking around. Hope you enjoyed that nice video. Hopefully it's, I feel like it's bumping back there. But anyway, there it is right there. And in hindsight, I used yellow, but I usually tell people don't choose yellow or brown when making the balloons when I'm, out at a performance. And so I didn't even think about that at all. I just thought yellow would look cute. So anyway, again, thank you for hanging out. I hope you had a good time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, comment down below. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. That way you know when a video shows up so you can watch it and enjoy this balloon goodness. So just a reminder, at the end of this week I'll be switching over to where a majority of my videos are going to my Patreon members. I just shared one, not too actually Friday they got a new video shared with them that day. So if you want to take advantage of that, you can go over to patreon.com/JLoMagic. Don't worry, I'll put a link in the description below so that way you can find out how to get in on that. So I'll see you guys next time. I hope you're out there having fun with your balloons, making good stuff and making people happy. And so I'll catch up with you guys next time. All right, everybody, I'm out of here. Bye. Happy twisting, everybody.